America only got a select few. Now here we have an NA Roadster in America, obviously a Miata, beautiful red interior, red soft top. I think Miatas are one of the best cars for wooden shift knob, handbrake, and wheel. It just fits the car so well. This thing is looking pretty minty, although I think you could use a new set of tires as they're looking pretty dry rotted. And if you haven't seen any cars in Japan, this is your Shaken sticker. So that's basically your registration sticker that every car should have, either on the outside, or I don't think you technically need to display it, so a lot of people will just keep it in their glove box. And we are parked up now.